Hi, my name is Rob, and in this video I'm going to explain how the income and expenses area of quantum economics works. This area gives you a clear and simple way to review and manage all your recorded invoices. Any questions? Just contact us. We begin in the income expenses area. This is where we can review all invoices that have already been entered into the system. The default screen shows the Show Invoices Expenses tab. Here, we see all the documents previously accounted for in the Document Digitization section. The section is divided into two parts, Issued and Received. In Issued, you will find the invoices you have issued to your clients. In Received, you will see the invoices you have received from suppliers or creditors. In both areas, you can view the invoice date, document number, client or supplier name, and the current status of each invoice. If you need to modify a previously recorded invoice, you simply click on it. This takes you to the same screen used in the digitization area. Once the necessary changes have been made, we click Confirm and Count. The system updates this invoice immediately. Next, let us look at the client's area. Here, you can see all previously registered clients or register a new one. To create a new client, we click plus New. A new window opens asking for the client's details, country, identification number, name, and address. Quantum automatically assigns a client code in the client code box. When all details are entered, we simply click Save. To register suppliers, we go to the Providers area. The process is identical to creating a client. We click plus New, then fill in the supplier details and click Save. The only difference here is that we need to choose whether the new entry is a supplier or a creditor, using the options shown on the screen. So, that is how the income and expenses area of quantum economics works. It is a simple and effective way to review and manage all your recorded invoices and your client and supplier lists. This part of the bookkeeping system we provide to all our clients. If you would like more information, just contact us.